Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your third row cargo area, because you do have seating for up to 7 people in this vehicle with their own cup holders and cubbies back here, and you have power controls to fold these seats to whatever configuration you like with a 12-volt power outlet. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. Then you have the second row seating, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, fold out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having rear climate controls, heated second row seats, 110 volt power outlet, 12 volt power outlet, and 2 more cup holders right there. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 84,449 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can go to your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your left screen here, where you can cycle through your RPMs with oil temperature, I believe, your four-wheel drive status, distance to empty, and then you have your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, driver assistance settings, and settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left, where you have your lighting controls, as well as your remote hatch release, your tow haul mode, and your parallel park assist button. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and auxiliary capable, I believe. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, heated steering wheel, and you can also access your rear climate controls. So quite a bit there, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Then you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost in your travels. And in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. You have a Sony sound system in this vehicle, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Then down here you have this compartment with a 12 volt, 2 USBs, your auxiliary, and SD, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your terrain selector for mud rut, sand, and gravel, grass, snow. So you have quite some customization there for your driving experience, as well as having your hill descent assist in the middle there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with a 12 volt power outlet inside and plenty of room for your stuff. Then last but not least, you do have a panoramic or twin panel moonroof that goes all the way back there, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.